particular song, I'm in love with my car, is a bit different from what I've been watching. I'll tell you why. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another interesting reaction video. Thank you so much for clicking. My name is Onyipel, in case you see me for the first time, and I'm your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. So please do not make it your last here, okay? I promise you're gonna love it. So just subscribe to my channel, okay? It will definitely make my day. Thank you so much. Today I'm gonna be reacting to Queen, Killer Queen. Yeah, Queen, Killer Queen, I'm in love with my car, and this one is live. You guys already know how I feel about live performances. Yeah, so it's not a story anymore. You guys already know that. And yeah, you guys also know that I'm a fan of Queen, so I'm pretty much excited about this one. So without further ado, we'll just get right into it. If you all are ready, I'm always ready. Let's just get right into it. Hey.
Listen, if you guys want to move around and shift your asses a little, it's okay. It's okay by us, right?
What?
You can take all your clothes off if you like to.
Oh my God! No way, Queen! No way! You see, this is one of the reasons why I love to react to Queen. Like, he always comes up on stage and he will just do something that will make you smile. Yeah, like, he's always very, I don't know, he just does it flawlessly, and you just see people screaming. You know, I mean, he's yet to start, but everyone is already, you know, hyper.
This is called Killer Queen.
I'm enjoying it already.
She sings just like Marie Antoinette, a building, a remedy, a crucial and Kennedy, and at a time of invitation, you can't decline. Caviar, cigarettes, well-versed in etiquette, extraordinarily nice, she's a killer. We got powder, gelatine, dynamite with a laser beam, guaranteed to blow your mind. Anytime, recommended at the price, insatiable. She never kept the same address. Conversation, you spoke just like a baroness. Never China, with conjugation minor. Then again, incidentally, been that way inclined. Perfume and Ashley from Paris, cause she couldn't care less. Fastidious, precise, she's a killer. Queen, gunpowder, gelatine, dynamite with a laser beam, guaranteed to blow your mind.
Okay, before we get into this favorite part of mine, of course it's going to be the favorite part of mine, the guitar part. Yeah, and I can see him about to, I don't know, I'm only conversant with the name, with Freddie's name. The other person, the other group members rather, I'm not so familiar with your name, so please kindly let me know their names in the comments. Okay, I think one other one is Eddie, but I don't know which one is answering Eddie. But yeah, is it Eddie? Yeah, anyway, let's go ahead. Wow. Okay. Ooh, he's singing. Wow. Nice. Wow. This is so good. Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god. What? No, no, no. I'm taking that part back. Like, I love that ending, so I'm taking it back. Permit me, please. Woo! Okay, fam. Okay. At this point, I know you guys already know that I'm a lover of Queen. I love the group Queen a lot, and this particular song, I'm in love with my car, is a bit different from what I've been watching. I'll tell you why. Because most of the times I don't get to see other of the group members sing, like apart from them being on the instruments and all. Most of the time it's actually Freddie that does the singing, okay, why other people play the guitar, the band, and all of that good stuff. But in this one is actually different. I got to see the what's it called now, the drummer, right, performing, like singing, and he's actually good, and that's so beautiful to watch, like so beautiful to experience. I've never heard him sing before. Have I? No, I'm not sure about that. Maybe he has, but I've not really just paid attention to it. Okay, but this one was absolutely different, and I loved the concept. Each and every one of them did sing. It was just amazing to watch. And this drama, oh my gosh, I mean, fam, Queen is phenomenal. They are absolutely phenomenal, and they are greatly missed. Yeah, but thank God they have all these amazing songs that we can always go back to listen to, you know. So yeah, thank you so much, fam, for requesting for this one. I did enjoy it. If you enjoyed it, you already know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, please, fam. Try to thumbs up the video. I mean, it goes a long way to pushing my videos out. Please help me by always giving my video a thumbs up. All right, thank you so much. And of course, let me know what you think about the song down in the comment section, and I will see you all in my next one. Till then, keep being amazing, and do not forget that I love you all so much. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.